If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this short-term position I have on the pocket option platform here, looking to capitalize off the short-term momentum and also cover some of the things to keep in mind when looking to day trade binary options for consistent trading results long-term. Now, it's important to note that profiting from day trading binary options requires a combination of knowledge, discipline, and most importantly, risk management. Firstly, aspiring day traders should educate themselves about the underlying markets that binary options are derivative of. Learn to use technical and fundamental analysis and other various trading strategies. Next, you should devise a well-defined trading plan including specific entry and exit points and also position sizing. Stay informed about the underlying market's trends, and news is essential for making informed decisions on the market. Emotional control is crucial. You want to avoid impulsive decisions as much as possible because those will be the most common reason to lead you to losses when trading. Chasing losses are another form of that as well. Furthermore, day traders must be vigilant and avoid overtrading. Consistent practice, continuous learning, and adaptability are key if you want to refine your skills and ultimately achieve long-term consistent trading results in the dynamic world of day trading. Remember, success in day trading binary options relies on patience, meaning you want to wait for the market to present you with these opportunities. Do not go seeking them out or manufacturing an entry if all of the stipulations of your trading plan are not met. Stay disciplined and also maintain a long-term approach and continue to improve where you see fit. All of these have helped me to formulate better trading plans and to stay more consistent with my trading entries and my trading results long-term. With all that being said, guys, if you want to learn more about exactly what I look for when trading, be sure to check out the resources in the description below. I have the educational package where you can learn my entire strategy in a multi-video series, exactly what I like to look for when entering on a position, combining different forms of technical analysis for key entry points. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade on a daily basis, 5 days a week, Sundays through Thursdays. If all of this sounds interesting to you, be sure to check out the resources down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace. Traders, now is the time to unlock your full trading potential with my exclusive one-on-one trading membership. As a member, you'll gain access to extended trading hours, giving you more opportunities to capitalize on market movements. You'll also receive personalized one-on-one trading sessions specifically tailored to your goals and skill level. No generic advice, just direct support. Plus, enjoy a free comprehensive educational package to sharpen your trading knowledge and confidence. This is more than a membership, the best trading strategy, HQ.